Good afternoon, guys. How are we all doing? I hope we are all good. So we're going to have a quick analysis on boom and crash synthetics, including step index and jump 10. So looking at C300s, I remember yesterday we were just watching, probably I think we we're waiting for the daily to go bearish. If I'm not mistaken, price here is clearly bullish based on this, or we're anticipating a potential pullback, I remember. So price continued strong bullish. As you can see, I was paying attention to this high. Price came above and it seems like they are respecting that area. So I cannot sell this until they break a structure to the downside. So as you can see now, we are creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Here we've got equal higher lows. So let's see what happens on that level. But apart from that, I don't think I have anything else. I'll just be paying attention to this high as well, maybe to get an intraday sell. And if we happen to break this level, I might consider a short-term sell, but I'll let you guys know. So I don't have anything solid on C3. Then on C5, I managed to catch a nice trade yesterday. Played all the way to 4610, 4600. This was a clean setup, one of the best setups we've had. This is just a follow-up. So if you watched yesterday's video, you understand what exactly is happening. If you didn't, please watch our Zoom from yesterday, June 18th. Then you understand. So this is just a follow-up. I won't be looking into many things. So today, if price can come take out these highs and respect this level here from a higher time frame, or this red line here, if we can get up here, I can consider a sell. At this point here, yes, we could sell, but pattern is not too clear. I don't see a very visible stop hunt. But nevertheless, if price decides to break the current lows of the day, then I'll start considering looking for sells. Yes, the trend is bearish. Yes, we should be looking for sells, but if you notice, price is currently being held by the 13 EMA, which is a dynamic support. We might potentially break, which is what we would love to see for a continuation of this particular trend, like we mentioned. So we'll keep an eye on that, but I would love to see a pullback or a stop hunt coming back into the gray zone. So 4650 to 4660 potential point of interest for sales. Then if we happen to break 4578 area, I'll look for a scalp sell. But I'll just be monitoring this because I'll definitely love to see a stop hunt first or an extension of today's highs at least. If today's highs can be extended, then I can start looking for a sell. Then C1000 actually took a late sell just now. Price might most likely break this level. So yesterday, I'm not sure if anybody caught a sell because I remember we mentioned we can only sell if the current day's candle goes bearish, of which it went bearish somewhere around this area. So I'm not sure if anybody managed to scalp a sell yesterday here. Personally, I didn't. Um, okay. 55.60, that's where price bounced off. So can we get a continuation down? That's very, very possible. Daily chart. If you notice, if we can break below this gray zone, you see, I feel like we could end up getting a nice sell all the way to these lows here from May. So we still need to break this level first. If we can break it, then most likely we could get a nice long-term sell. So what I would love to see today, I have one position, like I mentioned. I've got one sell position, a current market price. Price might retrace into this order block here. That's a possibility. We might retrace into this area here, but what I'm looking forward to is an impulsive move right from current market price. So we had this slight pullback, we might have another one, then maybe get a slight pullback into this area or this area, then a possible continuation. That's the possible play which I'm looking for here, but I'll just be keeping an eye. But for now, I'll say this is definitely my point of interest for sales. One position at current market price. Love to see an impulsive move. If I can get about 20 to 30 pips, I can take. Then I'll anticipate a retracement into this broken level here. If price breaks it, then I'll look forward for a continuation sell. I think, yeah, C1 could most likely play out. With this price action here, we can most likely play out. You can see TDI also nice confirmations. So yeah, C 1000 will most likely give us money today. B500, I'm still stalking. I did not manage to catch this buy yesterday. I hope one of you guys took it. Looking at it today, I've got this range here, so I can take buys outside that range, which is these highs here. If we can break those highs, I can consider buys. Then on these lows, I'll just be paying attention because price has been bearish. As you can see, this is bearish order flow. So if we come back below, then price will most likely continue to the downside. So I can consider a short-term buy if price comes above this level here. So first position, if we break here, second position, then I look forward to take profit here, right? Then, but if price comes down, then the bearish trend will most likely continue. But I'll just wait to see maybe if they can react here or they can react here. But otherwise, I'll just wait maybe for an intraday reversal a bit later on in the day. But for now, if we can break here, I'll definitely take a buy. And yeah, that's my view for B5. Then B1000. Yesterday I was eyeing it. I think I saw it here. I executed a buy, price came down, took me out. Then I saw this pattern is the day was about to end. I executed again. It was a bit late. I kept seeing it late, and again it pulled back and it took me out. This one I think I closed right here because I was looking at this. You can see it was very late as well. So I took two trades on B1000 and both of them hit stop loss. Price failed to continue going up. So looking at the daily, again, I think I'll only consider buys if the current day's candle turns bullish. I'll keep it simple. Then H1, I will just keep monitoring H1 to see if price comes above the 13 EMA. Otherwise, we can wait for them to hit this bottom of this range we have right there. If we hit the bottom and we get a pattern, then we can consider a short-term buy. So for now, I'll just leave it on H1 just to monitor price. Then step index. Step index, I remember we mentioned let's wait for the daily to close, which gave us this imbalance. But I'm not so happy with this imbalance because if you notice this push down, it's not that solid, but we took out liquidity. So two things here can happen. If we come back above this imbalance, I'll look for buys. If we come back and tap and reject, I'll look for sells. Then if we show signs of closing below this level, I'll look for a continuation sell. Those are the three things I'm looking forward to on our step index. So I'm going to leave it on the daily. Then jump 10. Let's see, did they come back? I didn't trade this yesterday, but I remember I marked this level. I'm not sure if this was marked during the Zoom or I marked it after the Zoom, after price had played out. But we had this first fair value gap, then price created the second one. They came and just tapped and they dropped. Could have been a good scalp sell. So today, what are we looking forward to? Price could go either way. I don't have a solid bias for a buy here. They could buy, they could sell. So I think I'll just wait for them on the H1. If we can come back around the 13 EMA, then I will decide depending with the price action, I'll be seeing whether we're coming down or we're going up. So this I'll advise a bit later. So yeah, that's it from me today. I think my main setup today will be focused on C1000, then probably C5 as well. But for now, I'm looking at C1000. And that's it for me today, guys. Hope you guys will have a peaceful day. If I do have anything else, I might advise in the group. But I've realized that most people are lazy. They just wait for these sessions. We do these sessions, they don't attend, they just wait for signals. So you might have to watch these sessions just to know what I'm looking for during the day. So I think that's all from me today. If you're watching this on YouTube, thank you for making time and watching until the end. I hope your trading journey is going well. Please let me know in the comments how's your trading journey going so far. Let's communicate. Let's help each other. Apart from that, thank you so much for making time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Good trading.